Namaste to all my beloved friend. Today I'm going to tell you while mealtime, put away your phones, mobile, do not talk to each other. I ask myself if you in your family know how to communicate, or are you like those kids at meal table where everyone is chatting on their mobile phone, where there is a silence like a time of prayer in temple during dhyan meditations, but we do not communicate, but we understand everything with calm and silence. Enjoy your meal, which is sent by God. It is gifted to you with much love. Your beloved friend Jai. Thank you very much. Be happy. Ram Ram, Radhe Radhe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.